Yikes.
Only at Petit Jean.
Wow. Okay.
K24 Golf, follow the golf carts parking.
That's affirmative. Thank you, sir. Well-organized machine right here.
Yeah.
They do a good job.
Yeah, something about being in a big tent with an umbrella, right? Friday afternoon, the expected rain shower. All right. Oh, you're...
Yeah, I don't understand that. And the weird thing is the vacuum bag was that's how they caught him. They were, he went to somebody's house, took a shower.
All right, Saturday morning, rain stopped. Got a little fog, a little low ceilings, but it looks like it's gonna clear up pretty today. Camp's keeping going.
Go where?
Come on up, folks. The betting window is open. We're betting on who's going to bust the balloons up there, and you're subject to win some money.
Little Ozark lager in the smoke oil dispenser. This is a beautiful RV14. A little bit bigger tires. Beautiful paint job.
0627.
All right, Tanya, be safe.
Sunday morning sunrise.
My hands are so cold, I don't want to work. There. That looks right.
Pull the warm hole, may as well go ahead and do that.
Kilo Mike, speed permitting, 180, back taxi on the runway.
Runway for 0 Kilo Mike, that's a pretty wicked burble right to left there on final.
Yeah, it happens that way when the wind comes across those trees, it burbles down.
Goody.
You survived it quite well, though.
Well, that was fun.
Was a lot of fun. Just what we needed.
It was
Perfect.
Good chance to see a lot of old friends, make some new friends, eat way too much food.
Oh, yeah.
It's all good.
And AirVols November 2724 Golf in front of the white van at the pavement. We're run up and we're ready to roll.
Roger. Cut the takeoff runway 3, altimeter 3042, right now wind 050 at 6.
And 24 Golf rolling on 3.
Roger, 24 Golf.
Thumbs up.
You're up.
There's some burbling he's talking about.
Yep. You'd expect it.
Yep. Alright, we're going to fly over to the river and the point's right over there somewhere.
Okay.
That's just beautiful right there.
It
That
is.
God.
November 70, Romeo Echo, ready to go.
And 24 Golf is entering the photo pass from the north to the south.
There's another plane in front of us. He's just past the point. I guess that's the point.
I'm thinking that is the point.
All right.
A little bit below the ridge.
That's us.
Close, you'll see me on the point. I'm wearing a big old yellow jacket.
24 Golf's coming around the bend at 1,000 feet. Getting close.
Don't get any closer.
That's beautiful.
Awesome.
Good deal. 24 Golf departing to the south.
Thank you, look great.
Thank you. That was about 1,050 in case you want to tell somebody.
Very much. You have a safe trip home.
Yay. I'm so glad that we're going to get a good
Come
one.
in just a little bit closer and a little bit higher.
It's just hard to do.
It is.
How's that?
We don't fly formation. We don't fly close to other planes.
Yeah, that's right.
It makes for a breathtaking view while we're having our picture made, doesn't it?
It does. We're on the return trip home.
That was a lot of fun.
A lot of fun. 2 nights in a tent with a bunch of our old RV friends. Basically nothing but RVs. I think there were 97 ultimately airplanes that came in. A lot of people tent camp. A lot of people stayed in the lodges and the convention center. But everybody got together at night and all during the day, and just a lot of fun.
We had a little taste of all kinds of weather. It was nice and sunny. It was horribly rainy, and we woke up this morning and it was 39 degrees. And it felt great.
It felt real good. Our Marmot Titanium 4P tent held up very well. It rained, started raining about 3:30 Friday afternoon, rained almost all night long. We got a lot of just slow, drizzly rain, hard rain a few times, but it stayed dry as a bone and held together quite well. Easy to put up, take down.
A lot of our friends were not that lucky. Their tents did not hold up as well, and they were all taking notes on what kind of tent they had.
On the way out, we did the photo pass. Hopefully we'll have some good photographs of the airplane from going around the point. Maybe we'll have some decent video. There you have it. We'll see where we end up next. If you would, please hit that subscribe button, hit the like button, hit the bell up or down, wherever the subscribe buttons and the bells are. But we'd love for you to tune back in some other time. Thank you.
Thank you.